All right, I'm Elise Baker. I'm a sustainability specialist for MacDermid Alpha Electronic Solutions. My research is on the product carbon footprint comparison of multiple different primary metallization processes within the PCB manufacturing process. And we have previous research that shows that direct metallization, which is one of the opportunities for primary metallization, is more sustainable. It uses less water, less power, less chemicals than electroless copper, which is the alternative for primary metallization. So with our research, we have shown that there is a lower product carbon footprint for direct metallization than electroless copper. So combining that with the results that show that the use phase is more sustainable for direct metallization as well is really instrumental for the PCB manufacturing. So having some research that shows how one might complete the calculation for a PCF for a chemical process is also, I think, going to be very helpful and can help people learn in the future how they might be able to complete these own calculations for their own work. There are a large number of steps that go into the production of PCFs, and all of these, so primary metallization, you don't just go through the chemical process once. So there's a conditioning phase, there's a cleaning phase, there's the actual chemical bath, there's an anti-tarnish, there's a micro etch. So there's a whole host of products that have to go into the process. And even within some of those individual process steps, there are multiple products that make it up. So in order to complete a PCF for one product, or what seems like one product, is actually 16 individual PCFs.